name's Scott Francis. I'm the director of Callow Retail Limited. We've been trading now for probably 11 years, since 2008. My passion is outdoor cooking, and that's what we do. Everything to do with outdoor cooking, but we specialise in pizza ovens and big masonry barbecues. We've had an eclectic range of marketing experiences over the years. We've always been involved in sponsored advertising. As the business grew and developed, we realised we needed additional support, but more importantly, it was the expertise that we needed. Towards the end of last year, we realised that we really needed a company that would suit the fit of the business, and that's where we came across eComOne. And since we've been with these guys, we've had nothing but good experience. The results that we wanted have started to come through, and it's still only sort of 5 months down the line. The overall objective was to decrease the amount we spend with online marketing, but in the same breath, we wanted to increase our sales. We have achieved it. We've decreased the amount of money we've spent online advertising, and we have increased our sales, and we want to develop that further. Yes, I would highly recommend eComOne.